Hi guys, welcome back to Borla Chef's Kitchen. My name is Colleen and today we're going to be making masala idlis. For those of you that don't know what idlis are, these are just essentially steamed rice and lentil cakes. Very popular in South India. And today we're taking these rice cakes or idlis that are already made and really turning them into an appetizer for a quick snack and adding some different spices to it. So really a great recipe if you do have any leftover idlis or if you are really just bored of having the same sort of thing over and over again. But please be sure to comment and let us know if you also are interested in seeing how to make these idlis as well. We'll be more than happy to add that to our list of things that we'd be wanting to show you. So please do that. And also if you do like this recipe and others that we've uploaded, feel free to hit like and also hit the subscribe button. We'd really appreciate your love and support and your feedback.
Hey guys, so let's get started in the masala idli recipe now. So here we have the idlis and a bunch of the spices. So we're going to start with oil and some mustard seeds in the oil. And as soon as they start to sizzle, we're going to add some crushed peanuts that are pretty, coarsely crushed. So you don't have to worry about having it perfectly crushed. And then this is really just to add some protein in the idlis and really add a depth of texture to it and crunchiness, and just makes it more exciting to eat. We're going to just fry the peanuts and roast them a little bit in the oil. And once that is done, we're going to add curry leaves into the mix here as well. Curry leaves are very popular in South Indian cuisine, so this is something for those of you who are familiar, you would be very familiar with this ingredient. We're gonna fry it for another couple minutes here, and then next thing we're gonna add is gonna be some of the masalas, including turmeric, sambar powder, and of course salt. Again, we're going to continue to mix all the spices together. And now we're going to add the steamed idlis that we already had done. Again, we'll put another recipe separately for the idlis. But for now, we really just want to tell you how to take some idlis, whether they're homemade or store-bought, and really elevate them and turn them into masala idlis and a easy evening snack. To change up a pretty typical and status quo dish. So all we're doing here is just making sure all that spices and the masala is fully coated, and that is all it takes.